Hey everyone, Black Friday is here again. And this is the year the deals are honestly amazing. If you have been thinking about improving your website traffic, doing the SEO, or researching the keywords, or growing your online business, then this is the best time because Semrush is offering a huge Black Friday discount. And today I am going to talk about what the offer includes, why Semrush is so popular, and how you can save money with the deals. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the best tool without any confusion. And like always, no need for any coupon code. Just use the link in the description and the Black Friday discount will be applied automatically. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from the description for the discounted Black Friday offers before the deal ends. Alright, now let's talk about the Semrush. Semrush is one of the most powerful SEO and the digital marketing tools in the world. Big companies, agencies, bloggers, YouTubers, and online business owner uses the Semrush to understand what people are searching for and how their competitors are ranking and how to grow their website traffic. And during the Black Friday, Semrush gives you one of their biggest discount, which makes the tool a lot more affordable than the usual. This year Semrush is giving a big price cut on their monthly or yearly subscriptions. Now normally Semrush is quite expensive because it offers many features in one platform, but with the Black Friday offer you can start at a much lower price, and again you don't need to enter any coupon code yourself when you use the link from the description. The discount will automatically apply. Now let me explain some feature in the site audit. Semrush can scan your website and show you all the problems like slow speed, broken link, missing the keywords, or the SEO errors. If you fix these issues, your website becomes stronger and Google will rank it higher. Semrush also has the tools for the backlinks, the social media tracking, content writing help, and even advertising research. So instead of using many different tools, you get everything in one dashboard. This is why many professionals are using Semrush. It saves time and gives you the very detailed data. Now let's talk about the Black Friday deal. Is it worth? Semrush is normally a premium tool and the price can feel high for the beginners. But during Black Friday, the discount makes it much more affordable. And if you are planning to grow your website, rank on Google, or understand your audience better, then this is one of the best tools you can use. So who should get this Semrush? Anyone who is running a website, doing blogging, affiliate marketing, YouTube content, online business, e-commerce, or digital marketing. Even beginners can use it because the dashboard is very simple once you get used to it. So if you want to check the deal, the link is in the description and no coupon code needed. Everything will be applied automatically. Just click the link, check the Black Friday deal and choose your plan that fits your needs before the sales expires. Now thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.